Good morning, everybody. Brandon with Burnt's Lawn Care. Thanks for tuning in today. We got a rain day here in eastern Massachusetts, so I'm gonna try to get some housework done. I have this stump here that we've been trying to tackle for a long time, but just haven't had the time. This was a big oak tree. It was like a 60-foot oak tree that we had taken out at my house. So today I'm gonna take the stump grinder, grind the stump, get it nice and flat, and then fill it in with some loam and reseed it. Hello. Alright guys, so here's our stump grinder. It's a Rayco RG27. It's got the 27 horse Briggs & Stratton Vanguard on it. And it's just a beast. It tackles every single job that we need it to do with no problems. The 27 horse is perfect for what we do. It's a medium-sized stump grinder, but it works well. Alright, well, I got the drone up here. He's going to take some good shots for us, hopefully. And I'm going to get grinded on the stump because I got a lot to do today. And not a whole lot of time to get things done, so we got to get moving. Alright, so we got a little more than half the stump done. Coming out pretty good. I'm gonna take this down right here, and then once it's level right here, I'll cut it out below grade. That should even it out. So I got it all raked out. Now I'm going to seed it. I'm using Lesco Double Eagle. It's perennial ryegrass. And I'm also going to throw some tall fescue in there too. So I'll throw down some heavy areas by hand, then I'll go over it with the spreader to make sure that the coverage is there. Alright, so it's all seeded. I went over it twice with the spreader just to get a good spread on it. I'll check back with you in 2 weeks and we'll see how this thing's growing in.